Hello, my name is Mohsin and today I am going to show you my new laptop which I just bought today. I wanted to buy it before but I couldn't buy because it was out of stock in the market. So I ordered it from Amazon.com and fortunately they had some stock in their warehouse, so they delivered me one today. And I'm gonna open it and we are going to unbox it. We are going to see that what's new in the new MacBook. This is the new MacBook. We can see the box and it's very fine quality box, and I think it's the best one. We are going to open it. This is a new MacBook with M1 processor. It's very slim and very beautiful design, and there is charging cable, Type-C charging cable, and there is some paperwork, some papers, and here is the charger. We have three things in the box: the charger, cable, and our MacBook. We are going to remove this plastic. Open it. We are going to remove this from the screen, and it's already on. We are going to select the country, which is France.
macOS
in my
inclut votre
case.
sauveur, un logiciel intégré de lecture d'écran. Si vous savez déjà comment vous en servir, appuyez sur le...
We are going to select Wi-Fi network. Now it's demanding. It's asking for my Apple ID. Now it is collecting my iCloud data. And it's very slim. There are two C-type USB port over here and one port for the mic. This is the desktop of the new MacBook. Here is the settings, App Store, Finder, and there is Safari for browsing, these messages, notes, it already collected all the data from my iPhone. It's all automatic. My messages, my phone book, my contacts, my appointments, all the data transferred over here without any hassle. I'm really thankful to Amazon, which delivered me in 24 hours because I really need it. I am going tomorrow for making some travel videos, so I really needed it, and Amazon delivered me in 24 hours this MacBook, and I'm really happy and I'm thankful to them. And at last, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.